Hello, virtual physics students. Okay, so we're on to week 4. Let's see what needs to be accomplished this week. Okay, it's a more traditional week, and because of the holiday on Monday, we only have 2 days worth of items. Okay, so we have finished up our Unit 1 stuff, including the exam. Notice that the retake link is there. In order to do the retake, you need to email me your test corrections, and then I will email you back with the link to that retake. Okay. Last week we started on to Unit 2, and we did Day 1 stuff, and then Day 2 was a virtual lab, and now this week we're going to be looking at Day 3 and Day 4. Okay, so this is more traditional, like you fill out your notes, you do the concept check, and that opens up your assignment. Okay, so let's look at that. Now, there are some math concepts involved this week that may require rewatching the videos 1 or 2 times, or you need to hit pause and try it on your own and then press play, or just rewind the last little part that you weren't so sure about. Make sure you have your calculator out as you're working through the items, and again, I don't expect you to know this stuff right away. We're learning, and this is not an easy subject, and you're doing so well. And so just hit pause, rewind the video a little bit, get caught up, like, okay, now I feel good about what's going on, and continue. And if you still don't feel good about what's going on, then come meet with me during our Google meetings, and I'll show that again a little bit. So here's the link to your notes. It'll put you to Nearpod. Then when you finish that, Nearpod sends me a report. Here are the videos for the notes. After you complete that, then you need to do the concept check. Remember, you can do concept checks over and over again until you get 100%. Once you get 100% on the concept check, then it opens up the assignment. Okay. Now, I think, if I remember, we just have, yeah. So we have worksheet. Oh, sorry, this is Unit 1. I think it's just a worksheet. Let's double check. Okay, so Day 3 assignment. Yep, exactly. Okay, so work through this assignment. Either print it off and work on this, or pull out a separate sheet of paper and then write number 1 and then show me all of your work. Okay. And then as you're going through this, if you have any questions, let me know, and then when you submit this, I'll provide feedback on it. Okay. And then the next day, similar. We're moving into trig, and so it's just important that we're not just going, oh, I don't understand this, and just walking away from it. Know that everyone's feeling that way, and that it just requires practice. In order to understand these things, we just have to practice over and over and over again, and we'll get to the point where you're like, okay, I feel confident with this. Okay, so Day 2 and Day 3. Okay? On Unit 2. Day 2, Day 3. Now, today after school, I will be on the study session Google meeting, so you just hit that link and it'll take you to that Google meeting. I'll be on from 3 until 3:30, but of course I can stay longer if we have more people on there and that you need some extra help. Then I'll also be on Wednesday morning from 7:30 until 8. So join me. I haven't had anyone come and participate with me in that. So if you're feeling like, oh, I'm not quite sure and I just want to talk through this, come join me and we'll talk through it. Okay? All right, guys. So that's everything for this week. Please let me know if you have any questions, and I'll get right back to you.